Hello everyone, today I'll be considering welding. Welding is a fabrication process used to join materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by melting them together and allowing them to cool, forming a strong bond. Here are some key aspects of welding operations. Types of welding processes. We have here arc welding, we have MIG welding, that's metal inert gas welding. We also have the TIG welding, that's tungsten inert gas welding. We also have the submerged arc welding as well as oxyacetylene welding. Number 2 concept under welding is welding filler materials. What are they? These are used to fill the joints between the materials being welded. They are often in the form of rods or wires and must be compatible with the base metals. The third is welding joints. The design of the weld joint, whether it is butt joint, lap joint, corner joint, it affects the strength and appearance of the weld. Next is weld bead, that is the actual weld deposit or bead that is laid down during the welding process. We also have welding safety, that is safety measures which are crucial in welding operations, such as proper ventilation, personal protective equipment like welding helmets and gloves, and fire prevention measures. In conclusion, welding is used in various industries including construction, automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing to create strong permanent joints in structural components and machinery.